Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Mac meets requirements and has disk space. This avoids interrupted installs. Once done, quit Minecraft and any launcher, otherwise files may lock. You should back up your world saves by copying the /library/application support/Minecraft folder to a safe location. This protects progress if the update fails. Now open the Minecraft launcher. You're ready to check for the latest release and begin the update process. You'll use the launcher to fetch the update because it manages versions and libraries. Once logged in, go to the Installations or Versions tab, pick the latest release or a snapshot if you want new features, and click Play or Install. The launcher downloads required files and sets up the profile automatically, so watch the progress indicator. Large updates can take several minutes. If you need specific Java options, make sure to edit the installation settings before launching. Once the game launches, confirm the version number in the main menu. This proves the update applied. If a world is missing or corrupted, quit the game and restore your backed up saves into the same application support folder, then relaunch. If Minecraft crashes or won't start, open the launcher logs or check /library/logs/diagnostic reports for error details. Then make sure your Java or Mac OS versions match the requirements. Reinstalling the launcher fixes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.